Guys, this is a Harlembling graveyard. This is many years, and I have a few boxes like that of chains that are either manufacturer defects or a customer returned it for whatever reason. Some of it might have a missing link, or some of them are good, just the clasp was never assembled. Some of it is samples that we never released that we made as a test run. You can get this by the weight. Very fair price. None of the item has stones, and you cannot pick out. You cannot message us saying, Eddie, I want this color, that color. You get it based on the weight. We will not read the comments. If this is not something for you, then don't buy it. It's $1 a gram, and you can use coupon codes. So with a coupon code, it's 75 cents a gram, which I believe is the same as me melting it. But before I melt it down, I'm gonna offer it to my loyal subscribers to buy it. A lot of them are good chains. Some of them might just have a lot of scratches, so they're in the bottom of the box when they were shipped. Some of them might be bent. This chain, I don't know. Maybe one of our employees threw it here. This actually looks like a good chain, but whatever. Someone will get it. $1 a gram. None of the items have stones. Why? Because our man-made diamonds, our moissanite, we recycle them. It's not worth for us to sell it, but this stuff, $1 a gram, it could be yours. You can get 100 grams, you can get 500 or 1,000 grams. There was some grills in there, but these will not be part of it. I'm gonna take those out. It's just for the chains. Link is down below. Let me know if you guys want it. We have it.